Good afternoon, family and friends. Hope all is well. You have reached my channel. Please like and share and all of the above. I'm just coming with you briefly to give you an idea of making money, getting this free money, and how to do it and how to go about it. I got two apps that's a stock app. When you refer people, you get stocks, and the other app you get $50. So let me show you the other app. Let me go back. Sorry about that. Okay, this right here. So you earn $50. So I made almost $100,000 within maybe like a year and a half just sharing the links to M1 Finance and also Weeble. Also Weeble. See, I'm messing up already. Also Weeble, and all you have to do is just sign up with Weeble. You can put a dollar. You can put a dollar in Weeble, and you can get your free stocks. And with M1 Finance, you can put a deposit $100, and you get $50 with that. So the more and more people you refer, it's free money. Even with the stocks, even the stocks they give you, you can take the stocks that they give you and cash it out and sell it and then get the money from it. But if they're good stocks, just let them grow and just grow from there. This is the best time to get into the stocks because the stocks are low, and when it's time for it to go up, you make some good money. So I'm just up here to help people to be able to build money in the time of this pandemic. And I'm glad I did what I did. I advertised this on YouTube, and I also advertised this on TikTok, and I also advertise this on Twitter. So all you got to do is just like I'm doing. You go to my links down below, and also in my M1 Finance. If you don't know what stocks to invest in and stuff, I got my portfolio of all the stocks that I pick that I've been rocking with for a while, and I haven't had any problem. You can invest in that. I'm not a professional. Just letting you know. That's a disclaimer. And I just want my channel is just to help people make money. This is free money. This is something that you could just sign up for and get free stock. So if they might give you a stock that's $20, might be a stock that's $50. They can give you a stock up to $3,000. So it depends. Just do the same thing that I'm doing, sharing this, and it helps people to make money. So if you're feeling this, go to the link down below and sign up. You can either sign up for both or sign up for one. I'm signed up for both. I use M1 Finance for my long term, and I use Webull for my day trading. You can do day trading with it. Also, you can do just your regular stocks. So I got long term stocks. I mean, my solid stocks, and I'm a dividend investor because I like to see money now. So if you're interested in it, go to the link down below. If you need any help with anything, just send me a text or comment section, and I'll help you out. And y'all have a lovely and blessed day.